How can you use these edges? Begin new projects, inject intent into things you want to manifest into reality. Begin new practices, habits, and relationships. Anything you want to grow does well at the edge of something beginning. The bigger the beginning, the bigger the impact. So a sunrise edge is well suited for small matters, but it can be used daily for many days for larger changes and beginnings. A new year for the life-changing beginnings, and a how do you pronounce that word?
Decadal
edge.
Decade long.
Because I read it, decadal edge.
Decadal.
Or other measured cycles like stellar cycles for big intentions.
Yes.
How fast and how long it takes or lasts, this depends more on your intent and willingness than it does on the edge we may tap into. Have a strong enough why, and any edge will do.